Hey y'all! So in this part, explain ko yung revised part ng aming prototype. But first, let me show you our persona, Nervous Nia. Problem ng aming persona is yung lack of confidence, stage fright, anxiety, and pressure. I myself struggle with this problem which lead to missed social opportunities. Because syempre, nahihiya ako with how I look and sometimes the only thing na pinanghahawakan ko is the promised improvement na ma-achieve ko sa skincare na binili ko, syempre. So our group come up with tech-based solution and we develop a skincare UI design prototype. This prototype was designed to showcase different products na recommended for each patient insecurities. We also added the testimonials and people behind the formula of the products to really back up with our claims. With this solution, for me as a someone na nakaka-relate sa aming persona, it this solution can be considered as spatial improvement kasi I think most of these issues is masusolusyonan. Yun. I believe I'm most comfortable when I feel like I look good and presentable. So, I think no more social opportunity na may miss because of shyness. So, it won't solve everything but I believe it can make someone's life a little bit better. So, let's proceed to our prototype. So, ayun. So, nag-include na ako dito ng forum. I also designed this website in a chic and naturey way kasi for me it's much relaxing in suiting that way. So, ayun. Nag-add na ako dito ng forum and pre-consultation para dun sa gagamit ng aming system. Syempre, wala namang lahat, hindi naman lahat afford ang mag-ano ng ano 'di ba, ng skincare ng appointment and sometimes nagbayad talaga siya. So, I also added the best-selling products na pinapurchase ng aming mga user and I also added yung testimonials. Obviously, these are dummy data but it's sort of a forum na rin kasi once na ma-implement is dito mapupunta yung mga skincare journey na mga katulad ni Nervous Nia and they can use our website to share their journey and share all the skincare tips na nakatulong sa kanila. If also implemented, we can put these people that works on the formula to show na rin na these products are proven and tested that will reassure the customer that struggles with the same issues as Nina. Okay? So that's all for me. Next na po is yung mga functionalities ng aming prototype.
Next is contacts. Dito naman sa contacts, nandito lahat yung mga contact information ng other skincare na pwedeng i-follow ng user. Like sa Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. And then dito rin, pwedeng i-share ni user yung kanyang skincare journey. Ilalagay lang niya yung kanyang complete name, complete address, yung phone number, and yung message niya, yung kanyang journey. Dito po sa next, customers details. Dito po ilalagay yung details ng customer kung saan po siya i-deliver, yung contact name po and contact number ng customer, email address para po kung sakaling kung may tracker po yung shop, pwede po sila mag-email doon, and yung payment method, kung ano pong payment method yung gagawin nila, yung orders, yung order po nila na item, and yung total price, kung magkano po yung item, and yung kung may shipping fee pa po. So, dito po sa customer details, dito din po makikita yung ito pong payment status, if nabayaran na ba yung item or hindi pa. And sa next po is yung products. So, dito naman po sa products, ito po yung page kung saan makikita po yung mga different items na binebenta ng aming website. Meron po dito rin po makikita ko pag in-scroll down nyo po, makita natin yung different items na binebenta ng aming website. So, dito din po sa our products page, pwede po silang mag-add to cart ng mga items. And pwede din po sila dito maghanap ng mga items na hinahanap po nila before po sila mag-check out.
item that they bought in the cart tab. In the cart tab, they can manage the items na they intend to purchase. Naka-display dito yung summary ng products na inad ng customer in the shopping cart, including yung quantity, price, and kung may discounts na available. Pag natapos na sila mag-review ng selections nila, pwede na sila mag-proceed into checkout. Pag-press ng customer ng checkout button, madadirect siya sa checkout tab, which is yung final step na sa online shopping. Dito na nila mako-confirm yung purchase nila before completing the transaction. Included dito yung pag-fill up ng about sa customer, selecting a payment method, review ng order summary and what type of delivery ang gusto ng customer. Then pag set na lahat ng gusto ng customer, pwede na sila mag-proceed into pressing the complete purchase button sa may right side ng page. After pressing the complete purchase button, mapupunta yung customer sa tinatawag na final confirmation page, which is may encounter mo after successfully completing a purchase. Naka-include dito yung confirmation details na nasend sa email ng customer and assurance sa customer na yung order nila is being processed na dahil sa thank you caption and sa short message ng shop. That's all. Thank you.